Welcome to KK Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll learn how to delete a branch from local as well as remote repository in the Git, right? So let me show you. I have an account on GitHub, and here you can see I have a repository is called singleton design pattern underscore 3. And in this in this repository, I have a three branches. Here you can say one repository can have a many branch. So we have a master, develop, and stage, right? And same you can check from the command line also. You can use git. So here you can type git command, git branch and hyphen hyphen list, right? Either you can use this command or simply you can type git branch. This will list out all the branch available on this repository, right? So I have basically three branches on this repository, right? And currently my git is pointing to the master branch, and that's the active branch, and that's the star represents, right? Let me clear the terminal. Now that's all about the how to check how many branches you have in your current repository, right? Now let's move ahead and try to learn how to first of all create a branch, and after that we'll see how we can delete the branch. So to create a branch, of course you can use git checkout, but here I'm going to show you in already one of the video I have shown you how to create a branch using git checkout command. Here I'm going to show you how to create a branch first of all using git branch command, and after that how we can delete it. So I'm going to here my basically git is pointing to master branch. So from master I'm trying to create one branch. So when you would like to create a branch out of any existing branch, then first of all you need to switch on that branch. Let's say instead of master I'm trying to create a branch out of a stage, right? So I would say git checkout and then name of the branch, that is nothing but a stage, right? So I switch on the stage branch, right? Now I would like to create a branch out of this stage branch, then I would say git branch and then branch name. So let's say I would give temp underscore stage, right? And here you can see I have created that branch, but I did not switch on that branch, right? So if you want to, after creation of new branch, if you would like to switch on that newly created branch, then you may use git checkout. But git branch only creates the branch whatever you say, but that will not switch on that branch. So you will have to switch on that branch explicitly. Before that I would say git branch, and let's see this branch has been created or not. Now here you can see temp underscore stage branch has been created, right? So let me clear the terminal. Now let's say that branch I have created, which I'd like to delete right away, right? Then you can use git branch so that branch what we had created earlier, that is created in a local repository itself, right? And I would like to delete that branch. So I would say delete git branch, then hyphen a small d. Guys, keep in mind here you will have to give the small d if you want to delete any repository which just you have created, right? Then git branch hyphen d and then branch name. I would say temp underscore stage, right? And if you press enter, then saying that deleted branch temp underscore stage, right? If you do git branch, then you can see that branch is not available in the list. So this is the first way to delete the branch, just you have created and deleted, right? Now next thing we are going to learn, again I'm going to create a branch, right? Git branch, right? And I'm going to, let's say, new stage, one of the branch I'm going to create. So I have created. Now if I do git branch, then you'll see that branch is created, right? Now this branch I'm going to switch on this branch, right? So let me switch on this branch. So I would say git checkout and then branch name, right? So I'll switch on that branch, right? I have switched on that branch. I think git command is wrong. Git checkout, check. So I have searched on newly created branch. Let me clear the terminal. Now let's say if I do git status on this branch, newly created branch, then this is saying that my branch is nothing to commit, working tree is clean. But let's say I go ahead and I add this branch content into my staging area. So for that I would say git add and period. So this will be added into the staging area, right? And after that I do git commit, then -m, and I'll give the message. I'd say newly created branch, right? Now I have already checked in my branch, right? I committed my branch, so now that is added in my local repository. Now if you want to delete this branch, now you have changed your mindset, now you'd like to delete this branch before pushing into the remote repository, then you will have to apply the command git branch. So this branch is still not pushed into your master repository. If I refresh, then that is not available in the master repository. But before that, just you have added in local repository. If you'd like to delete, then here you will have to give the capital D instead of a small d. Let's try with the small d first, and git branch -d. We want to delete this branch, and branch name, right? What's the branch name? This is the branch name, new stage. If I try to delete, then here you can see cannot delete branch. So this is basically telling you that you will need to first of all switch on the different branch, then try to delete this branch. That is the error. So let me switch on the another branch first, git checkout, and let's say I would like to switch on the master branch, then I would like to try to delete this branch. Right now let's see, I'm trying to delete that branch, so that has been deleted, right? But sometimes that will give you an error, this command will not work, right? Then what we'll have to do, if you added your change in a local repository, after that if you'd like to delete that branch, sometimes this will not allow you to delete that. Then simply what you have to do, instead of small d, you will have to give the capital D, and that will allow you to delete. Now if I do git branch sorry, then here you can see that branch has been new underscore stage has been deleted. Now last but not the least, let's say I want to delete some branch which is available on the remote repository, like a stage branch I would like to delete, right? So how we can do that? So for that we have a command like git push, then origin, then you have -delete. You will have to write delete, and then your branch name. So stage branch I would like to delete. So after that you will have to press the enter. So saying that you did not okay, sorry, there is some mistake. So here you will have to give the hyphen twice. So git push origin hyphen delete, then name of the branch. If I press enter, then you'll see branch must be deleted from the remote repository, right? So saying that branch is deleted. If I go over here, so a stage branch you could see. Let's refresh this one. So there is some error because my repository was pointing on the staging branch, and that I have deleted. Now let's see here, this branch is not available anymore. So a staging branch we have deleted, right? So that's the way to basically delete the branch which is available on your git repo, right? So that's all I have in this video tutorial. You have learned how to list out all the branch available in your repository, and you learned different ways to delete a branch from your local as well as remote repository. Guys, that's all I have in this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.